Uber app won't work and just pop out accept dispatch. Obviously I got trip offer, but I don't know what it is. I don't know how to accept it. I don't know anything. Funny trips. And now I missed the trip, of course. It kicked me out. I'm offline now. Blank, empty, nothing is here. Nothing is here. Missed the trip. GRUBHUB, what's here? Panda Express. Too far. There you go, Uber. What's up with that app? I don't know. Nothing to see here. Okay, I'll go again and it will kick me out again. Accept dispatch, it says. I can accept it, but it won't show anything anyway. Just gonna piss off the passengers that accept dispatch. It's been like this for half an hour already.